Gemini AI versus Google Assistant is one of the biggest technology debates of 2026 as Google continues replacing the traditional assistant with its more advanced AI-powered platform. While Google Assistant was designed mainly for voice commands, smart home controls, and basic searches, Gemini AI introduces powerful conversational abilities, content creation tools, real-time reasoning, and deeper integration with Google services. Users can now ask complex questions, summarize documents, generate emails, brainstorm ideas, and receive more natural responses, making Gemini a significant upgrade for productivity and everyday tasks. The competition between Gemini AI and Google Assistant highlights the evolution of virtual assistants from simple command-based tools to intelligent AI companions. Gemini offers enhanced contextual understanding, multimodal capabilities, and personalized assistance across Android devices, while Google Assistant remains reliable for quick voice commands and smart home management. As Google pushes Gemini to become the default assistant on Android, users are increasingly comparing features, performance, accuracy, and usability to determine which platform delivers the best experience in 2026. Whether you need an AI for productivity, learning, content creation, or daily assistance, understanding the differences between Gemini AI and Google Assistant can help you choose the right digital assistant.